Hello friends, this is Lady Flora, and if you've seen any of my older videos, much older, very older, you may remember that I did a video on the Maryberry bonsai tree kit, and I think it was kind of a part one, and then I never actually followed up with it. So now I'm gonna follow up with this. So yeah, this is a really cool kit. If you didn't see the first video, I'll just give you a quick overview. It comes with this amazing little book, and it comes with scissors for trimming your bonsai tree. It comes with a little pot and the this little coconut core thing, coir, as however it's called. And then it also came with seeds, because weirdly enough, we're starting a bonsai tree from seed, which is fascinating to me, but let's give it a try. So the seeds have been, as they suggested, in a paper towel in the fridge, probably experiencing some kind of dormant hibernation period that will make them believe that spring is here so that they can sprout happily. So here are the seeds, and here's the potting material, and it has this sort of weird mesh thing going on around the outside. So I think I'm going to use the scissors and just sort of cut that off. Okay, so I've removed the little mesh thingy, and there's actually quite a lot of dirt here. So I think I'm just going to brush some of it off. It's a little bit windy here. I think it's going to rain soon. So yeah, there we go. So now I will plant the bonsai seeds. There's one. There's one. Oops, didn't come off my finger. Okay, so the seeds are really sticky. There we go. Now all the bonsai tree seeds have been planted. And I'm going to use some of this extra dirt to cover it up. And the dirt is still a little bit damp from when I got it all wet yesterday. So there we go. Hopefully soon we will have some sprouts, and then soon after that we will have a Maryberry bonsai kit. According to the little booklet here, it's a type of evergreen. Yeah, it's an evergreen plant. And it makes red berries through the fall and the winter. So that's pretty cool. The evergreen plant is originally from Southern Europe. So I don't know if it'll do well in Florida. It might do okay. Some things from Southern Europe do okay in Florida, like rosemary. So I hope that was helpful and informative. I'll do a third video when we actually get some activity going on, and yeah, maybe we'll actually grow a bonsai tree, which would be pretty cool. We'll keep it nice and small with our little scissors. I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact in your life, so I make a nature diary 5 times a week. And if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe, comment, like, or share. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm _ Lady Flora on Instagram, and actually it's _ Lady _ Flora, and then I think another underscore. So yeah, after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.